Nelson, together with my wife Claudia and my daughter Carissa. We own and operate Honeywind Farm in rural Greene County, Wisconsin. Honeywind Farm is now a Airbnb and a site for various functions such as family reunions, friends get-togethers, and so forth. As a part of that, we maintain a large, something over 2-acre gardening project, which is split into at least 3 separate places, as well as the landscaping around the house. What we're able to do with the woofing program is to up the quality of the maintenance that we are able to keep going in these areas, so that as we invite the woofers to be a part of our family, part of our operation, they then help us with the various day-to-day tasks of planting, of maintaining, of harvesting in the garden, as well as the flowers and shrubs around the house itself.